Catch you guys in a bit. I've got no idea what I'm gonna wear, so I have to sort that out. So I've literally changed my outfit 15,000 times. Literally have 8 minutes to do makeup. I was like, oh, I'm wearing a fringe. Don't have to wear makeup. I mean, I didn't have to wear makeup, but then I changed my mind. I was like, no, I want to look cute. I want to put the effort in. My boyfriend and I are going to Barbie Green in Barbican for some breakfast. I'm a breakfast girlie. I love a breakfast. And I feel like I haven't had an Eggs Benedict in a long time. After breakfast, we're going to go collect some film for the film camera. And then after we get the film, we're going to come back home. Probably chill a little bit. And then after that, we're going to Seabird later on. 5:30, I booked a table for some food and drinks, which I'm really excited about. My eyebrows look a bit crazy, but again, doesn't matter. I haven't been there before. It's been on my London to visit list for a long time. So it's going to be very fun. How do I feel about being 25? I am so excited, so happy, I'm so blessed. I'm very excited. I cannot believe I'm 25. Time went by so fast. It's actually insane. I feel like I accomplished so much last year being 24, and so this year I just want to push myself even further and try new things. I feel like this year really set the tone for how my year is going to go. I said new hair, new nails. I really said to myself, like, I'm going to invest in you this whole year. It's like a reset. Like, honestly, I think sometimes we forget to check in with ourselves. And okay, brows looking good. I got 4 minutes. Girl, I got 4 minutes. It's so funny. My little sister was talking to me. She was like, do your makeup good tomorrow. Make sure you don't put concealer all over your face like you normally do. I was like, oh, she got me. No, but honestly, it makes a difference when you do your makeup properly. Don't just give yourself 10 minutes to do it. But oh. What's up, sexy? I'm just gonna spray my face one last time. Perfume, fix the fringe. Perfume, perfume, perfume. This is the OTD. Nothing new. Jacket from Bershka. Topshop, Bershka. Okay, girls. Are we ready? I haven't seen my friends with my makeup on, you know. Oi! Go on, girl. Cute. I want to cry. Alright, guys, we're going now. Catch you guys later. This is the finished look. We're leaving now. Adios. We're on the way to Barbie Green. My boyfriend's here. Hey, boyfriend. He's leading the way because even though I've been here 1,000 times, girl, I don't know where I'm going. How pretty is it here, though? I'm out of breath as well because I took too long. So I forgot to tell you about the birthday week. It's not just a birthday day, it's a week. So it's a Friday or Saturday we're going to football.
Saturday.
So on Saturday, 1 second, the windows are paid actor. On Saturday, my boyfriend and I are going to watch football. We're going to watch Chelsea versus Liverpool. It's a charity game. And then on Sunday we're going to go to Richmond to do some deer spotting and have a Sunday roast and just like kind of sightsee. It's very nice over there. Look at the window. Yeah, yeah. Giving birthday blowout. Yours is so nice. Guys, we just had the cutest breakfast ever. They brought us some blueberry pancakes with some candles and they sang me happy birthday. It was so cute. The smoked salmon royale, and Jason had the, what's it called again? Bondi breakfast. We're very full right now. We're going to pick up the film for later, then we're going to go home, but that was a nice start to the day. Guess what, guys? 25 years ago, it was 2000 and I was born. I was just a little baby. I came out the belly because I'm a cesarean baby. We had breakfast.
You got this one here, just...
We're just sat near the Barbican right now. We both are in a food coma. We ate too much and we have stitches and we can't walk, so we've got to take 5 minutes. But yeah, it was lovely in there. We're excited for later. We're gonna go to Seabird at 5:30. Try some oysters for the first time. We're actually scared because we're not sure if we're gonna like them, but you never know, we're gonna give them a go. I didn't finish the pancakes, we've got some left over here. And then later on we're gonna go to Nighttail's Loft. We're gonna listen to some jazz music. My guy's sleeping, bro. The food was so good, he's sleeping, cuz. These are the birthday nails. Period. This is the Barbican. These are all offices down here. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, look at the sights of Barbie. Oh, this is lovely. I see your hands.
At the top of it.
Is the sun setting already? Aww.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm scared.
I've had scallops, yeah.
And that's just wood-fired mussels, isn't it?
They're Cornish mussels, yeah. So I'm surprised it came with the shell. But yeah, this is easy. You literally, you can get out with this. You'll be fine.
I spent 2 hours cutting my hair for it to come out bun. It was all puffy here. I literally started crying. My boyfriend. I'm not drunk, by the way. I'm just laughing. My boyfriend called the Uber. He was like, "You stop crying or not going." And then I get in the lift. And I realised my lace dress, my belly's popping out. I said, I don't want to go. I had tears in my eyes. But yeah, we went to Seabird. It was so lovely. And now we're getting ready to go to Nighttale's Loft. The drama. She was the star of the show. This is what I was talking about. This corset, my belly. Fuel. This is after the oysters.
Check, check, check. Do you hear me?
I'm tipsy right now. It's my boyfriend. What are you saying? What you know about my boyfriend? We took the cutest photo ever at the photo booth. Do you guys want to have a look? Focus on me. Hey, yeah, everybody, it's my birthday. Hey. Birthday. Message to myself when I'm 50. Happy birthday to me. I hope that in 25 years we're richer. You know, we get a family or shit. Like, I always think to myself, do I want kids or do I not want kids? I've got like 10 years to decide. Let's see.
If the coochie wants to bring love! If the coochie wants to bring love!
No, but honestly, I'm so blessed and grateful to be 25, to enter this new year with my partner who I love dearly. Oh, they look cute though for 25. Look, if you're someone walking on the street, pretend I'm not your girlfriend, what do you think? Oh, she's look. Yes or no? It's taking too long, babes. Is she letting or not? I hope that when I'm 50, I have enough money to get Botox so I can look like this, like Kris Jenner. Because today we had oysters for the first time. Oysters are delicious. On your birthday, remember that too much wine isn't good for you. So just have the one glass and just keep filling it up. I love that. Delicious. They're expensive though. So we need more money. We need
Yeah, let's end it there.
to yourself. No, we didn't.
Just 2 minutes ago.
No, it's a lie. Message to yourself when you're 30.
Message to myself when I'm 30. Don't let Manuela have another bottle of wine.
No, I'm gonna have the bottle of wines. Put a bit of honey in it. The wash is on. I'm 25, can't believe it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for all the beautiful birthday wishes. Yeah, I'm just like, over the moon. I cannot believe I'm 25 years old. I had the most amazing time. I feel refreshed, I feel regenerated, ready for a chill day. It's nice to have a day to rest and relax as well. I'm just waiting for my prefrontal cortex to develop, hence the fringe. Do you guys think a bob would suit me? Let's put you in here. We're waiting for our food shop to arrive. Adulting is so crazy.
A vodka?
What are you doing that face for?
Who else has a vodka?
Dora?
I think it would suit you.
Like this. Yeah, like this. Oh, with the fringe. Why's my face like that? Do you think it'll suit me? Anyway, bye guys. See you.